Oh, what's this?
What's he got?
Oh, a knife.
Throw it at me.
That's exactly the same as one I found.
Yeah, it's matching yours.
That one, that's nice.
Throw it at the wall.
Yeah, I've done. Cleaned it, sharpened it, here's the
Hey up! I've come magnet fishing and I'm with someone. Who's that? It's Phil!
It's Phil.
Phil from Blazing Magnets.
Phil from Blazing Magnets with Mary.
Yeah, I'll go get her in a minute. So I'm also with Ant's Adventures, he's down there, and I'm with the admin team from a Facebook group called Friendly Magnet Fishing and Metal Detecting, something like that. I'm part of admin, I can't remember the name of it, that's bad. But yeah, they've gotten started, we're going to go magnet fishing, we're going to get a load of good finds, and well, I hope so. I got my lucky pants on, so yeah, let's go do this. Let's do this. Oh, nearly fell. I nearly fell in that hole.
On the other side.
Hey Mary.
Hiya mate, you alright?
Hey Mary.
Bradis. He's gonna love you.
Right, we're gonna get started. Please.
That's supposed to that's on one road.
Yay, rusty pole.
Oh, they're good they are.
Yeah, rusty pole. Oh, first shopping trolley.
Oh my god. Pulled out. Did it still work?
Oh, that's it, right?
Did it still work?
You alright?
Did it still work?
I don't know, I've just pulled it out.
Still works?
Rob the master.
Oh, what the hell is that? You know what that is?
No!
It looks like a lamppost.
Oh, it's yeah, it's got writing on the side there. It's got like the etching at the bottom.
Yeah.
How random. I've got something. I don't know.
Ah. Hey.
Hey, a bike. Oh. Is it a rider, Brad?
It's a rider.
Woohoo!
You got a bike?
Half a pair of scissors.
Ah, ha ha. We got a bike. So everyone's just having a bit of a break. So whilst we are, let me take this opportunity to say, leave a comment down below saying #shoutout. And what I'll do is in my next video, I will pop you up on screen and maybe you can gain some subs. But yeah, #shoutout. We're going to another area which is a little bit more crime ridden. There's been loads of muggings and machete muggings and gun muggings, so we're just sorting this out and then we're going to shoot off over there. So don't forget #shoutout. Here's loads of stuff.
Does it work?
Loads more stuff.
Scooter?
2 motorbike frames. Pedal bike, that's alright, in alright nick. Bit rusty like, but you know, rideable. Just loads of junk here. No weapons airsoft yet. Oh wait, no, blazing magnets did get a knife. Still a knife. You got a knife.
Yeah, we've got a little pen knife.
Little pen knife.
Oh yeah, got a knife, yeah.
A knife's still a knife.
Wow.
That's a good that. That's a little Swiss Army one.
That's a good clean up.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Better open your bottle of wine with that.
So here we are at the other location. It's the canal. I'm just about to set up and get ready, so. Ugh, straight away. Straight away. Yes. All the others are down there. We're at the guns spot where I was last time, where I found all the guns. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link so you can see it. So we come back here and we're gonna give it a good clean, see if we can get any more guns.
Oh, I look
Already? That was one I was trying to get out the other day.
Was it?
Right by the edge here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
straight on it.
Something big here, I'm
Oh, check that out. A giant crowbar thing. It is, it's a giant crowbar.
enjoy it. Oh, wow, look at that.
Look at that, giant crowbar.
Yeah, right, type there, you need another one of them.
That's not bad. That's alright, isn't it? Actually, good liar for
Giant crowbar.
see we're rough.
Oh. Padlock.
Looks like a hammer.
Should drag that bag round.
With me on it, it'd be a crash scooter.
Oh, what's this?
What's he got?
It's
Got a chicken leg.
it's part of a bike.
Chicken leg.
Watch out, you got bike to it.
And
Bye. Bye to me.
Just get like dropping the buster out the edge. I mean, you're gonna have to throw me in now.
Those ain't working. Oh, good.
more bike fox.
Oh, bikes.
Oh, what's this?
What's he got?
Oh, a knife.
Throw it at me.
That's exactly the same as the one I found.
Yeah, it's matching yours.
That one, that's nice.
Throw it at the wall.
Yeah, I've still cleaned it, sharpened it. Here's the cap.
Have you?
Check my skateboard.
Skateboard.
Oh my god. What's this? I joke, engineer skateboard.
Don't need one.
Skateboard. That is a Kosh.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a cheap one, but it's a Kosh.
What is it?
Or is it? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Check that one out. We've never found one of them before.
There you go, well done.
What is it?
Hey!
30 quid that.
Bit of WD. Be good to go. Oh, done, Marie.
Can you kill people with that?
Well, you can kill someone with anything. Hit them hard enough with it. Got a cash box.
Keep your money in it. If there's money in it,
Oh. Cash box empty.
empty.
No, mate.
Yeah.
So, can't do that with a small.
Oh, mini exhaust.
Little cheeky pecker.
Yeah. So, my camera battery has died, so I'm having to use the GoPro. So, yeah, please bear with me with the quality. Hopefully it's good. we're packing up here. We've done our thing. I'll show you what we've got. Got all this. We've got all this. Look at that.
Found a kayak.
Oh no way! You've just found a boat. He's just found part of a kayak.
Unbelievable.
Look at me!
Yeah, got loads of stuff. And they found some really good finds, but you'll need to go on to Blazing Magnet.
There you go. Oh.
I was just trying to get a boob shot, yeah. I forgot to do some Ants Adventures. Ants Adventures, don't forget Ants Adventures. Wait a minute, before you start filming yours, I want to film this. Hey, come back. What? Who was it that played with the beast from Online Magnets?
Me. Up here.
Who was
Well,
it?
we all did. We all had a go.
You all had a go.
We all had a go.
And what did you think?
The longer.
I did it!
Excellent magnet. Truly want one.
Brilliant magnet.
I won.
Definitely having one.
Definitely having one.
Yeah, definitely.
There you go. That's the beast from Online Magnets. Make sure you get checking them out.
For men,
For men?
For men, superb. For women, used for short periods of time.
Oh,
'Cause
give
they're-
up.
No, they're quite heavy.
Sexist.
No, I'm not
Sexist.
They are quite heavy, but you could do a half an hour.
It's definitely worth it,
and
isn't it?
then move to another magnet.
Definitely worth it.
But they're really good.
Yeah, paint it pink. You'll be right.
Yeah, oh yeah. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? Pink
Roll
one.
in glitter.
I like pink.
So the GoPro's starting to die now, so we're gonna go. Thanks for watching. Check out all the links down below. Don't forget, hashtag shout out, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.